beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. I pray that you all are having an amazing day today. In today's video, I am going to be showing you just a basic, mild kind of fall look. Nothing that's too harsh, something that's really mild. Also, I want to let you know that I've already primed my face. I've already moisturized my face. I kind of took care of that at the beginning, and as you can also see, I actually done my eyebrows. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I kind of took care of the formalities, the great formalities at the beginning. So come on, let's get started. So I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to put it up underneath my eyes, the dark spots that you can see that I have under my eyes. I am just going to take care of that with this orange concealer before I actually start highlighting and concealing. So not much, you don't need much, just a little. A little goes a long way. Now, I'm pretty sure you can see that I have some red marks on my face. I've actually done a video letting you know that I'm actually living with lupus. And in that first video, I'm hoping that you go and check that video out. I'm explaining the overview of what lupus actually really is. And I explained to you the redness that you could possibly have on your face. And that redness is like the legs or the wings of the butterfly. So that's what I kind of got going on my face there, and I really don't try to hide it. If it comes through the makeup, it comes through the makeup. It is what it is. I'm not trying to cover it up, but again, what I do like to do is I like to get rid of the dark spots that's underneath my eyes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of use my fingers to kind of tap it out just to make sure that it's in there. And it's going to set and stay. So that's what I'm going to do. Then after that's done and that's actually had a chance to set, I am going to be taking this ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I am going to be concealing underneath my eyes. Also, I'm going to be using this as an eyeshadow base also. So I'm just going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And now I'm just going to blend that out. Make sure that your beauty blender is wet just a little bit. It doesn't have to be, dripping wet. Just a little water. That's all you would basically need. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set that concealer with Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just going to use a little. I'm not going to use a lot. I just want to set it so that it doesn't move. And as you can see, I don't have that much, on my beauty blender, just a little bit. All I'm doing is setting that in place. I hope that you beautifuls are having an amazing year, bigger and better things in 2020. A new decade. I told my family, I said, a new decade, new things. So I pray that you all are having an amazing year. And I pray that your year will be great and mighty. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to actually take my Makeup Revolution makeup palette. And I'm just going to go in with this nice brown color that they have. Just a neutral color. Just to go all over my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to go and just take this brown color that I have here. And this is the color that I'm actually using right here. It's just a brown color. I'm not sure what color it is. But just a nice brown color that kind of matches my skin tone. And I just want to take this and just put this all over my eyelid. Now, I do want to let you all know that I am not a pro at eyeshadow. It's something that I really want to get into. I do the best that I can do. And it's so funny because a lot of times when I do my eyeshadow and I go out, a lot of people say, oh, your eyeshadow is so beautiful. And of course, I take the compliment and say thank you. But I'm not quite there when it comes to the eyeshadow. So eyeshadow, for some reason, it scares me. I really don't know what colors to put together, but I do my best. So I want to let you know that I'm not perfect, but I am actually practicing so that I can get better at it. So I'm doing the best that I can do. So just bear with me when it comes to the eyeshadow. So again, like I said before, I'm just going to kind of put this all over my eyelid. And again, something that's soft, something that's neutral brown, that doesn't kind of, won't take away from the look that you're actually going for. So I just want to put that all over my lid. And that's basically what I'm going to do. So now that I have that lid set, so when I put the rest of my makeup on, the eyeshadow on, it won't move. So I'm actually satisfied with that. Now I'm going to go in with this kind of cranberry pinkish color right here in the corner. And I'm just going to put this in my outer crease. So I'm going to take this cranberry color and I'm going to go ahead in my crease with that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to go in with that. Not too much, just a little. I'm just going to go in the outer crease of that. My eyelashes are in the way, but we'll go ahead and take care of that. That's not an issue. So again, all I want to do is I'm just kind of putting that color in my crease. Something that's really, really soft, not too harsh. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same brush that I had before that I was blending that brown color in, and I'm just going to blend to kind of get those, get that color to blend in so that it won't be harsh. So again, I'm just taking that brush and I'm just actually blending, 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 blending. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in that color again because I want it to be just a little more pigmented. So I'm going to go in again with it. To get it how I want it. Again, not too harsh. Just something, real, basic. Nice color, nice cranberry color. Okay, now that I'm done with that, again, I can't stress the importance of blending. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. Then what I want to do is I am actually going to take this darker cranberry color, nice shimmery cranberry color, and I am actually going to place that over my lid. So I'm going to take this color here, real pretty burgundy kind of cranberry color, and I'm going to place that on my lid. So I'm just going to take a flat lid brush, find a nice flat lid brush here. Okay, and I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to place that all over my lid. See how pretty that is? Again, I know it kind of looks a little loud right now, but I'm going to blend it in where it's going to be nice and settled. So again, I just took this nice, real pretty color and put that on my eyelid. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my blending brush and I'm just going to kind of just blend that a little bit. Kind of blend that in with that other color that I had going on. And again, I'm going to take that small crease brush again, and I'm just going to go just in just a little bit with that again. Okay. And then I'm just going to blend. Get that out of my eye. Okay, just gonna blend. Again, blend that. As you can see, real nice, settle, really, really soft, nothing that's harsh, just really, really soft. Okay. Put my foundation on. And I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. I love it. I love using it. It's my exact color. So I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Foundation. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little sponge and then just... Now, in my opinion, a little goes a long way. I like having that nice glowy look. I don't like my face to be caked up with a lot of makeup. So, in my opinion, a little goes a long way. It's up to you how you want to build your foundation. But me, a little goes a long way. I don't need much. So, I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of blot that all over my face. Then what I'm going to do is going to take my foundation brush and just go ahead and just... So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take this new Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Love it. One of my favorites. And I'm just going to begin to highlight right now. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to take this up underneath my eyes. And again, a little goes a long way. You don't need much. Then I'm just gonna put a couple dots, you know, up my nose, on top of my forehead, you know. Okay. And then now I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set my highlight. And again, I'm going to be using that Sacha Buttercup. And I'm just going to be setting it. Not too much. Not too much. Just a little bit. And once I get it on there, I'm going to immediately remove it. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to remove it. Because again, I don't want to bake. I just want to make sure that that's set. So I'm going to, you know, remove that out the way. Make sure that's nice and set the way that I want to set it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this Makeup Forever powder and just, you know, place this all over my face. Just kind of, you know, give it, brush it up, give it, you know. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some highlight in the corner of my eyes, So what I'm going to do is I am going to kind of take this pinkish, this light pinkish color, and I'm going to set that in my eyes. So just kind of take that little brush there. That's all I'm going to do. Not too much. Just something so your eyes can pop. Now I'm going to go ahead and brush that off. And now I'm just going to take this NYX lip liner and I'm going to line my lips a little. This basically completes my makeup look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my makeup. I love to have a nice glowy look. I really don't like the matte look much, but I will do a matte look, but I would prefer to have a glow to my skin. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and I'm just going to set my makeup in place. And I love this. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. And then once I let this set, I'm going to come back and show you the final look. Okay, I'm back. I had a chance to take my hair down and do my hair. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this soft cranberry fall look. Again, it doesn't have to be anything that's too flamboyant, but really, really soft. Like I mentioned to you guys before, I'm into the soft makeup, nothing that's too harsh. So I really hope that you enjoyed this look, because I am enjoying this look. It actually turned out really, really well. I'm actually feeling myself right now. Shoot me some questions, comments, and let me know what you think. Let me know what makeup looks you would like for me to do, and I will definitely make sure that I can do that. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And please remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Until next time, bye-bye.